Alright guys, the car's finally here. It's right there on the back. But look at the car. The Tundra burned up there. It's pretty cool. There's a Yukon right there. It's pretty nice. Guys, there's so many crazy cars on this trailer. Like that burned Tundra up there, that's just crazy to look at. And like there's a Yukon up there with like smashed glass all around. And then there's ours right here. Guys, so we got the Escape in the garage right next to the Tiguan, but probably not gonna be working on this car until at least the Tiguan is in drivable condition. So once I get the radiator support, I will be able to put the radiators and condensers, intercoolers, all that in here, all that in the Tiguan, and then that car will be drivable, and then we can start working on the Escape. Might do like a few things on the Escape for the time being, maybe like take it apart, I don't know yet. But maybe do it like a little bit of a detail on it, because the inside of this Escape is extremely dirty. It's a biohazard car, so it makes sense, like all that. Some airbags, like it's pretty messy in here. But yeah.